All right, well, we'll try this again, guys. We're trying it again. I don't know why. I have really, really bad internet because we have a lot of wind outside. So I think it's knocking around all the power lines and all the cables and stuff. I really want to do this. I really want to do this live video. If I can't do it, then I will just create videos and I will start uploading them. All right, cool, 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 cool. So let's go ahead and start, and I will see if it disconnects again. If it does get disconnected, then we're just going to go ahead and just do videos off stream, and then I will just publish it. Let's go Ethereum. You right, Anthony? Oh, man. Ethereum looks great. And as we know, Ethereum is the leading indicator for the entire altcoin market. And the reason why is because if you go to this, you're an RTBro. Is that okay? I don't know what that means. I'm in HD. All right. I like it. All right, cool. We're good now. Sweet. Glad that we got that fixed. Man, I don't know what was going on. So the reason why Ethereum is such an important indicator of the rest of the market is because it has $525 billion in the entire crypto space, okay? It is around half the amount of all of Ethereum of Bitcoin. So it's such a large amount of the crypto space that it basically shoves the crypto market in a certain direction. This is particularly for the altcoins. All right, so this is the leading indicator for the altcoin. Green Moonzilla, Squid Game. Are you guys kidding me? What is going on here? This is crazy. All right, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very glad to hear that. I think I got it fixed. Cool, 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 cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Fantastic. All right. Man, I was getting really worried there for a second. I really want to knock this stream out. I want to get you guys the information you need, do some chart requests. I want to go out there, give you a really, really good market update. And I really hope that the internet holds out, man. Might want to repost the link to the original one. Okay, I'll do that real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. Let's do that. Oh, man. Sorry. Give me 1 second, guys. I make this happen. Alts are in the clear. Just dealing with these internet issues. I don't know why. I mean, I do know why. I see it's a wind out here. But it is what it is. All right. Had to restart. Okay, there's that. Hope it works this time. There we go. All right. Twitch, Twitter. Let's make sure Twitter gets the notification that we changed it. Alts are in the clear live stream. Let's go ahead and delete the previous one. Oh, okay. Did you already hook me up? You did. Man, you're a beast. Look at that. CB just hooking me up, man. That's insane. Delete. I don't need that one. Let's go ahead and go to Facebook. 1 second, y'all. 1 second. I got to do this. I'm almost done, I promise. All right, just be 1 second. Hi, Chris. Good to see you at home. Hey, I appreciate that, buddy. I am at home today, so will be here for the next 3 days. So I'll be doing a lot of videos and updates and things like that. I can do it a lot easier from here. Next week, my driver is actually off for the majority of it, so I don't know how well it's going to go to next week. But the week after, he starts full-time all the time. So we'll be with him the entire time starting there. So in case you guys are not aware, I wanted to do more YouTube videos and things. So I actually hired a driver, like a personal assistant, so he could drive and do a lot of things for me while we're out on the road doing YouTube videos and things like that. So a little bit crazy that I went ahead and did that, but I think it was necessary because with the insanity that is crypto right now, you really, really just don't want to miss out on this, right? So, awesome, awesome, awesome. There's that. Let's go ahead and get this deleted. And awesome. Okay, cool. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. There we are. Awesome. Whew. Man, I'm back, guys. Craziness. So let's talk about the crypto market. Let's talk about why I'm so incredibly bullish. More so than like it's absolutely insane. I'm so bullish right now. That does not look good. Okay, well, I was really bullish, and now we have this, which is terrifying to me. Ooh, I don't like that. How's Dow holding up? Still holding up fine. All right, so let's talk about what happened and why I became really bullish. The reason I became really bullish is this right here. We had this massive drop, which bounced down here, but we actually had a really big sharp kick back up. So now I'm curious to see why we're having such a strong buyback here. That's pretty concerning because this is the dollar currency index. This is the strength of the U.S. dollar compared to other assets. And for crypto and for Bitcoin, crypto, and all these for stock market things like that, we really want to see a weaker dollar because that means people are moving out of the traditional or like moving out of fiat and into speculative assets, because essentially when you have high amount of DXY, that means that you have high inflation. The dollar is just weaker in general, so they want to leave the dollar and go to a stronger asset, one that can increase, like crypto, like stocks. So we had a really nice drop, but we actually had a really strong recovery, which is actually pretty concerning. I don't like seeing this. We're going to come back on this later because I don't know what I think about this yet. Let's keep doing the rest of the market and we'll go from there. Hi, guys. Coming in clear. Okay, good. Wife should be happy. Yes, the wife is very happy. I'm at home. I'll be here for a few days, and then I head back out again. Shiba, wondering if it'll continue to go to the roof. Probably not. I think Shiba is essentially done at this point. I think it's gonna consolidate back down. It's gonna take some time to range, and then we might keep going. But I'll talk about that in a little bit. Oh, you think that's it? Okay, maybe that might be why. That might be why it's happening. Either way, we are having an increase in the DXY. It's a little bit concerning. All right, let's keep going through. Let's go through our progressions. Bitcoin dominance. We always want to know where Bitcoin dominance is standing in the market. As we guys probably know, Bitcoin dominance is an overall strength of how much of the crypto market is owned by Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin, when Bitcoin is like, this is the relative strength of Bitcoin to altcoins. Since we're altcoin traders, we want to see this number drop. Okay, dropping is good, rising is bad. Now, as you guys see, we did have a nice rise over the last few weeks. However, over the last 4 or 5 days, we've actually had a nice drop. Okay, so nice increase, drop. This is good. We want to see it keep dropping. However, it looks like we're starting to find some support right here at this 3-day, I believe. 3-day, weekly. There it is. This weekly breaker is actually holding us up as support. Not too much of a surprise there. So, oh man, yeah, we're sort of ranging. I want to see it lose this. Once we lose this, our next level of support is going to be way down here at 42% region. That'd be really nice. And also, we've already tested this 42% region so many times that I really think if we come down here again, we're going to keep falling back through, which will be amazing for altcoins. Let's look at longs and shorts. For our longs, they are still, and they're sort of, oh, this is a weekly chart. Longs are stable. Okay, we did have a massive decrease in longs. That means that people were losing confidence that the Bitcoin market was going to keep going up. However, we also have a all-time low of our shorts. Okay, this is the all-time low of shorts. That means we have less shorts in the market right now than we've ever had in this period in the entire history of the shorts market. So that means that there's also not much confidence the market's going to go down. So this to me is a very neutral point for Bitcoin. People really don't know what's going to happen with Bitcoin. I think that's a pretty fair assumption because Bitcoin's not very clear. There's a lot of uncertainty with the Bitcoin market, which brings me to my next point. Bitcoin, there's a lot of uncertainty, but then we have our altcoins. And altcoins look amazing. Guys, I cannot understate the altcoin market and how incredible this looks. So let's start going through on a high time frame and work our way in. So the first we're going to go to is the weekly chart, okay? And I've told you guys for months, several months, my line in the sand for the altcoin market to not make a new high was going to be a loss of this level, okay? The reasoning why is because we would lose market structure. We would also fall back below the we would fall back below the Fibonacci retracement 618 level right here, okay? And the other reason, market structure 618, and of course also the daily 200 moving average was in that area. I said if we lose this level, the alt season will not come. However, as you guys have seen, we did not lose this level, okay? My $950 billion level did hold, and that is the important thing that kept us confident that we were going to continue seeing new highs, and we are good, okay? We have now broken above our previous two highs, okay? Not by much, but we have. And to me, more importantly, we have this purple line right here, okay? Purple line, purple line, purple line. This was a falling trend line that created a cup and handle. Cup, handle. You guys see this? Cup, handle. Now we have accelerated past it. We broke above it, and now we are consolidating above our cup and handle breakout. Guys, this is incredible, okay? Now, furthermore, on the low time frame, I've been trading this. If you guys are a part of my Discord group, you guys are probably very well aware of this little section right here. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. This was our previous all-time highs. This was a very clear range that's been established since 20th of October, okay? Very clear range. You guys can see how we consolidate. We went below the all-time high, back above, back below, back behind, right? Pop, 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 pop. This is a very clean ranging structure. We broke above, came down for a retest, and lost it. That's a bearish sign. So this now becomes a deviation from the range. We fell down below all the way through the bottom side of it. However, when we came back in for our bearish retest, okay, let's draw this out a little bit to make it a little clearer, right? So you come up here into our range, okay? And then you pop, pop, you pop, you pop, you pop, right? Because the range, right? Now you break above. Now, if you were bullish, you would come down here and then you would continue up, okay? However, that's not what happened, right? Instead of us holding the top side of the range, we actually fell through. You see this? We fell through. This was a failure to hold the support resistance flop. We fell through all the way down below the bottom of the range. You saw that, just a massive, brutal drop. Well, once you have a massive drop and you come down for the you come down below the bottom side of the range, then you do another retest, okay, to verify. Now, if you're bearish, what's going to happen is you are going to this is going to hold as a resistance, and you're going to continue going down. That is what you would expect to see for a bearish continuation pattern. But as you guys see, we did not. We went back into the range, and we started consolidating. And I told you guys right here, this is the most important level. If we get back above here, this is the key. Sure enough, what happened? We broke above, retested, now we're continuing higher. This is ugly. But guys, I'm telling you right now, this is incredibly bullish. And the narrative behind this technical right here is so incredibly important. We have now broken above the massive consolidation, above the cup and handle falling trend line, above the all-time high. We have like, there's nothing else here to say about this. This is exceptionally bullish at this point. It took a while to get here. We had a lot of deviations and fuck gains, but we have now busted above, and now we're right at the level. We're about to clear over this deviation and continue to the upside. Perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect, guys, and I cannot stress it enough. So let's talk about what this means. What does it mean when the total 2 breaks above this level? The total 2 is the culmination of all altcoins in crypto. Okay, the culmination of all altcoins in crypto. So that means if you have an altcoin as a whole, it's going to go up. If you own a cryptocurrency and an altcoin, it is going to go up. That's what this means. Okay? That's as simple as it gets. Crypto altcoins look exceptionally bullish. Exceptionally bullish. There is nothing more to really say about this structure. We have now busted above the high time frame and the low time frame. This looks amazing. There are some concerning things we have to keep watching, right? The DXY, we had a really strong recovery. That's a little bit concerning. I'm not going to lie, because this right here was not expected, and I don't like seeing it. But the total 2 chart looks exceptionally bullish. And because Ethereum, remember, Ethereum is our leading indicator in the crypto market. Okay, Ethereum is the leading indicator of the crypto altcoin market, and we are up 11.65% today. And not only are we up there, we also have now broken above and made new all-time highs. This is the new all-time high level. As you can see, we got above it last night, came back down, and now we have done a high, low, higher high. Guys, see that? This is called bullish market structure. We have bullish market structure above the all-time high of Ethereum. This is absolutely gorgeous, okay? Now, I'm even more confident in it because look at the amount of interaction we've had here. We even came back up here and tested it once before, fell through, and then continued the upside. Okay, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm very, very happy with Ethereum. I'm very, very happy with the total market cap. I see you, bro. I see you, man. Mana looks great, and as you guys are aware, I've been bullish on Mana for a very long time, so it looks great today. CVX is doing amazing. Okay, we'll talk about that as well. Stack is actually recovering, and we'll talk about that. Let me go to CoinTrader Pro. I have some really bad allergies right now. So we have like 60-mile-per-hour gust right now, which is where my internet was giving me crap. My allergies are screwed right now. All right, so we're going to talk about one coin here. This is going to be a coin that is going to give you an idea of what to expect in every crypto market out there in the altcoins, okay? This right here, I've been following for a lot, okay? And let's go through here and see what I've been saying about it. Got it, okay? If you come down here to CVX, let's go through some of this and explain why we made these decisions, okay? Look. Breaker, daily breaker, falling wedge into daily breaker. This is around $8, okay? Falling wedge into daily breaker. We have broken above it, retested. That looks very healthy, right? Now, we start pushing up from it. That looks good, right? Now, the next one was going to be this trend line. You guys see that trend line? I said this is the final level. If we get above here, we are going to accelerate in a massive, massive way. Look, there is no resistance above us besides this trend line. We are essentially in price discovery mode. And there goes the last resistance. This is the part where you sit on your hands and buckle in. Okay, $14. I said buckle up. We are currently at $31, and I'm going to tell you right now, I am not interested at all in selling my CVX position. At all. I have no intention whatsoever in selling this. You guys see this, right? Falling wedge, right? You guys see the falling wedge right here. We have the trend line. Okay? If you go to a lower time frame, I believe, if I can find it. Oh, I don't know where it went. What was over here? Is it $14? I don't know what happened here. Either way, that breaker, it came back down and tagged it, and we're continuing the upside. Either way, guys, this chart has been perfect, and I have zero interest in selling any of it right now. Zero. Okay? We're currently at the all-time high. We are continuing up. This is the part where you sit on your hands and you relax. Okay? I am not interested in selling this coin unless we do something like this. This is where I'm looking for. This is the exact structure that I'm looking for any of my altcoins, not just this one, but any of them. And until I see it, I am absolutely not interested in selling a bit. I don't really have this one. All right, this works. Does it work? I don't know if it's going to work or not. This is what I want to see. I want to see it create a breaker. Okay? Create a breaker. And once it creates a breaker, it'll create a rectangle, right? That's how I do my rectangles. Okay? So what I want to see is I want to see it for me to start selling it. I want to see it go up, back down, come back in for a retest, fall through the retest, come back up here, continue. This is the structure I want to see for me to sell. Right here. See that? This is a show of weakness. You form a breaker, you go above the breaker, you come back down to retest it, you fall through, you sell at the retest, and you sell at a break of market structure. This is exactly how you want to do it. This is perfect, guys. This is exactly what you want to see. Okay? But yeah, this is perfect. This is what I'm looking to see. So until I see something like this, I'm not interested. Now, if we have something like this happen, right? We have a breaker form right here on the daily. If we come down here and we come back down here and we have a brush tool, we now reject it. We come back down here and we fall through it, and we come back up here and we're looking for low volume channeling, something like that, and we're retest this from the downside. I'll be looking to sell there, and I'll be looking to sell right here. Change of market structure, right? This is where I'll be looking to sell. I'm not looking to sell until we see this. And I assure you, we have not seen anything like this on the entire way up so far. Every one of these stair steps has held. See that? Held, 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 held. Okay? They went up, they held, up, held, up, held, up, held, up, held, up, held, and now we keep going up. That is a bullish structure if I've ever seen one. Now, another similar situation like that is going to be on Solana. Let's look at Solana. You guys see this? I showed you guys the diagonal, right? We broke above there. Once we got above all-time high, what happened? That happened, okay? And remember, I have a video at $34 where I told you guys this looks really, really good and I'm buying Solana here. So I bought some at $15 and I bought some more at $34. I made a video at $34 and it's currently trading at $201, okay? This chart looks great. CVX looks amazing and I'm not interested at all in selling at this point. All right. Next question on there was, isn't the total 2 chart pumped by Shiba? Well, let's look at that. Where's Shiba at? Shiba is $39 billion, right? $39 billion. Well, the total 2 chart is $1.462 trillion. So let's do the calculation real quick, okay? I don't know if you guys can see the calculator. Well, let's do this. Google calculator. So 146, what was it? 1463. 1462. 1462 divided by how much market cap does it have? 39, so 40. Oh, wait, did that wrong. 40 divided by 1464. Okay, so Shiba's market cap, just so you're aware, is only 2.7% of the entire altcoin space. Okay? Shiba's market cap is only 2.7% of the entire market cap space. So do I think that Shiba is the reason why the entire market cap is exploding? No, not at all. Okay, I'm not buying that crap. Okay, this market looks healthy because the market looks healthy. That's it. And not only that, money is flowing into the crypto space, and we can tell that because of the total chart. This is all crypto money that's into the market, right? The crypto market cap is above the cup and handle. It is above the previous all-time high. Money is flowing into crypto, and it's not just Shiba. It is the entire market is exploding right now, okay? Mana is going up. ADX is up 88% today. It was up 150 early this morning. BAT is up 21%. Okay, all these different coins are exploding right now. Like, look at this crap, guys. No, I'm not buying that crap that Shiba is dragging up the market. Shiba is about 1/12 the size of Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum just broke all-time highs. I will buy that Ethereum is dragging the market up, but I will not say that. I will not say that Shiba is. Yeah, I can. I'll do it real quick. Give me 1 second. Invite people. Where's it at? Invite link. I don't want it to expire at all. Never. Generate new link. I don't know why it keeps expiring. It's really frustrating. There we go. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So, yes, hey, make sure you guys are liking the video. I have 30 viewers, only 11 likes. We need to fix that. Go ahead and like the video, right? Meow. Yeah, guys, but the whole market looks great, okay? Now, there is something else you need to understand about the market. There's something in the crypto market called rotations, okay? And rotations are a very important thing to understand as a crypto trader. What's going to happen is you are going to have coins that are going to do something like this, okay? Let's do this. Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie. Now, imagine these three coins are all different altcoins, okay? You have altcoin Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie. They're all amazing in their own way. They're all shitty in their same way, right? They're all shit coins. They're all great. It depends how you want to look at it, right? To me, all coins are shit coins. I'm going to start to make the money off them, right? So all three of these coins they all look fine, right? But what's going to happen? All of a sudden, you have Alpha explodes, okay? Explodes. It just goes straight up, right? Meanwhile, Bravo and Charlie are doing nothing, okay? They're just chilling, okay? Imagine it, hypothetically, this being Shiba, okay? Let's say it was Shiba. Why not, right? That's very familiar right now, right? So Shiba goes on there and does a massive explosive movement, and that's great, right? Well, here's the thing. Now you're like, oh my God, I want to buy Shiba. So now you are out there trying to chase Shiba after it's already exploded upwards several thousand%, right? So you go in here and sell your Charlie and Bravo to buy more Shiba because that's the winner, right? After you move over, what's going to happen? Bravo comes up there and also explodes. And you're like, damn it, I messed up. I should have been in Bravo more. So I'm going to go ahead and dump even more of my Charlie position back into Bravo, sell some of my Shiba or my Alpha, which I probably bought at a loss at this point, sold it, move it into Bravo as well, right? Then what's going to happen? Shiba's going to consolidate some more and then freaking explode again, right? And you're like, oh man, I really don't want to be in Charlie. Charlie sucks. I'm going to sell the rest of that crap and put it back into Alpha because Alpha's the winner, right? And Bravo, man, this thing is just consolidating. It's going down. It sucks. All that money I moved over there is going to keep dropping, right? And then what you're going to do, move more money into Alpha. So now you've dumped the Bravo, you've dumped the Charlie, you're all in Alpha. And then what does Charlie do? Pop. Explodes past all of them, okay? This is the shit that happens in crypto and what you are going to do if you try to chase these altcoins. This is called rotations. Money is rotating between each coin. You can try to chase these coins, but you will be unsuccessful. I'm telling you that right now. You will be unsuccessful if you chase these coins. It's very, very hard. Charlie is a great example, right? We're going to look at exactly what I'm thinking about when it comes to Charlie. XRP, okay? Look at what time frame XRP took off at, okay? It took off December of 2017. December 12th, 2017. What happened to the rest of the market at that point? December of 2017. Well, let's see. December of 2017, we were all the way over here. And that was actually the highest day of Bitcoin. The XRP went static for the entire time of the crypto market. It was static. It didn't do anything. While Bitcoin rose 602%, while Ethereum rose 10,000%, XRP just stayed still and did nothing, okay? And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, what happened? XRP exploded and XRP did an absolutely insane 1,400%. 1,400% in the span of 2 weeks. Okay? This is the stuff you are going to miss if you are impatient. So, here's my recommendation to you guys. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot give you financial advice. But I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. I have put my money into around 30 different altcoins. My 30 different altcoins are right here. I have a massive portfolio allocation. And you know what I'm doing? I bought my coins and I'm sitting on them. Some are going to pop, some will not. They're just going to essentially go static, okay? And what's going to happen is I'm not going to chase these coins. And I'm not going to be freaking out after every single coin that takes off, okay? There are thousands and thousands of cryptocurrencies in the existence. Okay, let's go over here. Let's see. So if you go down here to crypto market cap, and let's go about to like 70, you can see there are 6,900 cryptocurrencies. Is it reasonable that you are going to catch these movements? No. But if you are diversified out enough and you know, based upon our total two looking so incredible right now, that the crypto market is going to absolutely explode, scatter it out between your favorite altcoins, whatever those are, and then you sit on your hands. You sit on your hands. That's so incredibly important, guys. And like, you are going to miss the majority of your gains by chasing these coins when you would have made so much more money buying your coins, holding onto your coins, and waiting for a sign of weakness on the total 2 market cap. This chart is a culmination of all cryptocurrencies on the altcoins, right? So as long as you watch this chart, you are going to know when it's time to sell all your coins. That's how you play this, guys. I'm telling you, that right there is the best recommendation, the best advice you're going to receive from any YouTuber or whatever out there. Okay? If you try to chase these coins, you are going to fail. All right. Let's see what else I missed on here. Bro, can you look at mana? Yeah, I can look at mana, actually. I'm actually really curious because mana is on a roll. So, in case you guys are not aware, I was a huge fan of mana. I have sat on it for a very long time. You guys can see I've been trading it for months and just waiting, right? Just waiting. And I believe, if I remember correctly, I think this one came up and did a perfect Fibonacci retracement. Let me verify. Thought it did. Maybe not. Oh, guess not. I thought it was man. Oh, it was Chili's that did a perfect retracement. That's right. So, all right. So mana. This is what it looks like right here. Why did it explode? Because this is a 3-day level. Okay. This 3-day breaker was acting as a major resistance. Now, obviously, we had some deviation over here, right? But this level was still significant. Okay, this level was still significant. More importantly, in my opinion, look at what was happening right here. This right here is what? The 200 moving average. You guys see that? The daily 200 moving average. We came up here, we tested it, we tested it, we tested it, we tested it. Once we broke above, what happened? That happened. 200 moving average is a cheat code indicator, okay? On the daily especially. So daily 200 moving average, we broke above it, we accelerated in a massive way. That looks great, right? It makes sense. On mana over here, let's look at what we got. Okay, I'm going to keep expanding this one out. Interesting. See that clear line that was established, right? You guys see that trend line? Awesome. So we came down here and we found resistance at this quarterly breaker. That's right. I forgot I drew that. Oh my gosh. That was weeks. That was months ago, I think. Look at that. Quarterly breaker. Okay. 3-month breaker. Came down here, tested it, closed back above it, found support, broke above it. Very, very clean. So between this trend line that was formed, busting above it, and then, of course, where do we find resistance at, right? That's our next question. Well, maybe it was this weekly resistance, right? And why is this weekly resistance so important? Because we tested it once, tested it twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then finally a 5th time. Now, what's happening right now? We are currently struggling around the 200 moving average on the daily for the Bitcoin pairing. We want to see this close above this level for a continuation. If we get a close above this level, I will absolutely add more mana to my position. Right now, I'm going to be patient, but if we get a close above here, I will absolutely add. Now, the other thing we're looking at is going to be the volume, okay? Volume is very important. This is very high volume. This is relatively high volume, but you can see the volume is not as strong as it was back here. This is a little bit concerning, but I think I'm still okay with it. All right, so the volume profile is not as strong as I want it to be, but it still looks pretty good. Yeah, quarterly breaker right there. We broke above. This looks very healthy. Looks very healthy right now. Yeah, get a close above there, and I'll be very bullish. Let's go over here to the USD pairing and see how that looks again. Volume is very low. It's higher on this chart. That's Kraken. This is probably Binance. It's Coinbase. Okay. I take Coinbase's metrics more serious than Kraken. So because of that, I'm going to go ahead and say we still have low volume on this. So we have work to do. We're not out of the woods yet. It does look really good, but we're not out of the woods. Looks like we also have a trend line right here. Let's look at this. Okay, trend line, bust above. So between the trend line, the 3-day breaker, busting with the 200 moving average, and then of course over here, looks great, guys. So yeah, we have some work to do, but overall I think mana looks really, really good, and I think it's ready for a continuation. So I will probably be adding some mana on a retracement. I'm writing it down on my list of stuff to do. Now, for mana, where am I buying at? Well, it's pretty simple. We're going to go over here to the USD pairing. And like I've said to you guys, I'm a massive believer that we are in a buying opportunity. Every opportunity right now is a buying opportunity. So I am absolutely buying dips. Well, so we had a massive explosive upwards, right? And now we come back down. What is this? This is a 4-hour breaker, right? So this 4-hour breaker looks like a solid level for us to go ahead and purchase that. It closed above it, so now it checks the support. So, right, like I see, formed a breaker, went above it, closed above. We're falling back down into our 4-hour breaker. Now, also, I'm also looking at this level right here. We're going to go to our Fibonacci retracement levels. Go to the bottom, to the top. And where does it fall back to? Right here. Golden pocket zone. So, 4-hour breaker. Oops. Looks great. Man, it looks good, guys. I would absolutely be adding position on here. Or I am. I'm going to be adding position on the mana. I don't know what I'm going to sell yet, but I'm going to be looking to get some mana at these levels. Let's go to mana. Let's do an update. Mana. No. Hey, if you're gonna come in here and just spam, invest in this garbage coin before it's too late, I'm just gonna ban you from the channel. I'm not playing that game. Okay. All right. I'm not playing that game, guys. I will ban you guys if you start spamming these altcoins. All right. I won't do it. Solid breakout today. Let's see. We have a solid breakout. The breakout happened because of a few different reasons. Okay, I'm gonna diverse. Knock it off. Okay. Okay, here is the trend line. We broke above the trend line. We broke above the 200 moving average. Let's see. Where's it at? Let's see. Mana. Solid breakout today. Oh, okay, cool. Awesome, brother. Appreciate it, man. And he's gone. All right, neat. Solid breakout today. Triangle. Falling. Falling trend line. I assure you I'm doing very, very well when it comes to crypto. So it's all right, though. Falling trend line. Breakout that has been formed for months. We have broken above it. And the daily 200 MA on the USD pairing. We are currently finding resistance at weekly breaker. We are finding resistance at the weekly breaker. Awesome. The 3-day breaker has acted as a major support level. We are currently finding resistance at the weekly breaker. All right. Where's it at? Let's see. Mana. This is the BTC pairing. BTC pairing has also broken out. BTC has also broken down of a falling trend line. Daily 200 moving average is acting as resistance. Daily 200 moving average and the weekly breaker, right? Yeah, and weekly breaker are acting as resistance. Close above the 200 MA daily, I will be very, very bullish on mana. Oops. Okay, now we're going to go over here. It's going to go down here into the quarterly breaker. Oh, yeah, quarterly breaker acted as support. Yeah, I appreciate that, buddy. I really do. I tried to ensure that all of our analysis and charting is done based upon technical analysis and not just people just spamming in the chat. So I don't need the money, guys. So like I don't care if you guys stick around or not. Let me rephrase it. I don't need people like that come in there and just spam crap in there. My job and my goal is to give you guys quality content when you guys join the channel. So I'm going to actively be banning people who just spam the chat with garbage because I don't want you guys to have a lesser quality during the stream. And I just don't really care to look at it. So there's a 4-hour breaker, golden pocket zone. These are the areas that I am looking to buy into mana. 4-hour breaker and golden pocket zone. That's also why if you go to the Discord group, you're going to really see that I keep out all of the spamming and like to the moon crap out of there. So all of our analysis in there is based upon actual technical analysis and not just like random, you know, it's not Facebook, right? I don't want to see people on Facebook on here. You know what I mean? Like, oh, Shiba to $2. No, it's not. All right, get the fuck out of here. It's just stupid. These areas I'm going to buy into mana, 4-hour breaker. Okay, cool. So all right. I'm going to go over here to my trades. There we go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Looking to buy manage these shows. All right, cool. Done. Oh, I got a question in here. I think you figured it out, right? AYT. I think I saw you in here. Yeah. Okay. Cool. He figured it out. Let's see. Let's go through some of the stuff that's on here. I'm actually really curious to answer some of the questions. So, let's go through here. Chris Dixon. All right. So, Saxona said Ethereum is in a tight range consolidation as a major breakout coming. So let's look at that real quick, actually. Really good point. We're going to go to Ethereum and see what the tight consolidation looked like. And you guys can see this is the consolidation they were talking about right in here. Okay. So we had a consolidation between an 10% range, right between here. Not amazingly tight consolidation, but overall, yeah, I think it makes sense. What day was it? He was saying that on the 27th. Right here. Yeah. Pretty tight. I agree with that. So essentially, when you have consolidation, let me do this. I'm going to increase this line to much larger. This is going to be like that. And this is going to be style, visibility. Where's it at? Label? I want to label this. It's not labeling. Interesting. Consolidation is, under resistance is a bullish indicator. The resistance was the previous all-time high. Do you believe a breakdown is possible? Everything is possible. However, I do think it is unlikely at this time to get much of a pullback on the altcoin market due to the show of strength on the total 2 chart. Okay, so like I was explaining to you guys, he was saying, do I think that a breakdown is possible? I think everything is possible. However, I think it's unlikely to sound to get much of a pullback on the altcoin market due to the show of strength of the total 2 chart. The DXY is showing strength, which gives me some concern. That is the only reason why I can imagine a pullback happening at this point. There you go. Awesome. Let's go to Chris. I posted about a low volume on chart requests. Look at it. Oh yeah, of course. Let's go to chart requests. Let's look at what it looks like. Chart review. There it is. 3:37 a.m. he posted about Bitcoin. Let's look at it. This is on Binance, Coinbase. I think Binance is the best one. I like to really, if I'm looking at volume, I really want to look at Binance or Coinbase because they're the largest ones. Is that this looks like a channel, isn't it? Wait a second. That's a channel. It's not perfect, but I think it's good enough. I think it's good enough for government work. I think it looks good. I think it looks pretty good, actually. This does look like a channel, doesn't it? What do you guys think? This look channel-y? Do you think this trend line's legit? I think it is. What log chart? Any different? No, about the same. All right, cool. Let's go over here to Bitcoin. I'm going to post about this real quick. Bitcoin. Our consolidation patterns, and which would make this a bullish structure. All right, there's our channel. Well, we'll see what happens, guys. Let's see if it has some acceleration on the upside. This daily breaker, the daily breaker that was formed back in May, is still acting as a major resistance level. Let's see. That's that. Pop. Got it. All right. So this Bitcoin breaker right here, I still think it's acting as a major resistance, and I don't like using something this far back whenever you also have this deviation. But the main thing is that it's still acting as resistance, and you can go to the low time frame and see how it's still acting as resistance. It acts as a resistance. Okay, broke above, failed at support, resistance. So we need to get above here for continuation, but I think it looks pretty damn good right now. So we do need to see it get above there, and I don't know. We need to see it. I mean, it needs to get above there. That's basically where we're at right now. Yeah, I'll look at that actually. Data mesh. This is data mesh. This is a way to check shorts and longs on the market. So we can see the longs have decreased, shorts have increased. We're still positive. Ethereum shorts. Let's go here. Oh yeah, they are increasing, aren't they? Yes, they are. I think you're right. I think he's actually right. That's actually fairly concerning to me. And it actually is pretty high. So Bitcoin has all-time few number of shorts. Longs, Ethereum. And the longs are also tapering off. You know what? That actually is a little bit concerning to me. There is a substantial in shorts in Ethereum. So when you have a lot of shorts and shorts are increasing, what that means that people are losing confidence in that asset and keep going up. So that because they're taking out leverage positions to bet against Ethereum going up. So either they're all wrong, or yeah, they're all wrong, and they're going to get liquidated, or they know something we don't know, which is also very possible and more likely. I have I have done I have done TA on request. It's on Discord though. That adds some confluence. That adds some all right, there we go. Cool. All right. I don't have a price request or I don't have. So there's two things I don't do. I don't do timelines because they're exceptionally hard to actually calculate. Timelines are exceptionally hard to calculate. Okay. And the other thing is price predictions. Although I'm pretty decent at doing price predictions, they are very, very dangerous to make because price predictions will give you a subconscious price where you are going to buy or where you are going to sell at, which sounds like it makes sense, but my rule is you buy to show a strength and you sell to show a weakness. A lot of times people will sell too early or they'll never sell at all because they're waiting to get to their price targets. So request, I think it could easily 5x from here, but I don't want to focus on the price prediction. What I do know, request looks bullish, and until it stops looking bullish, I'm going to keep holding on to it. And yeah, I still do own it because yeah, I focus on very high time frames, and this low time frame junk we're dealing right now, it doesn't mean anything to me. Totally okay with it. All right, here's what we are going to do. I'm going to finish up some of these, then we're going to go do some chart requests because I think I'm pretty confident in understanding what's going on in the overall market. Is Convex still going up? Yes, look at this sucker. We just keep increasing. We have just made, once again, another all-time high on CVX. Another all-time high. Oh, man. Yeah, Benny's right on that too, man. Price predictions on crypto are also exceptionally hard. So instead, just buckle the hell up and enjoy the ride. And whenever there's massive weakness in the market, that's when you want to go ahead and start taking off. Now, because of that, are you going to catch the top of crypto? No. You will not catch the top. You will not catch the bottom because I say buy on a show of strength, right? That means I will not buy the bottom because it has to show strength first, which means it will not be the bottom. I will not sell the top because I said it has to show weakness first, right? So I will also not sell the top. I won't buy the bottom. I won't sell the top, but I will make a shit ton of money anyway. And that's how I play the game. And it works out very, very well. And it really keeps me sane and very disciplined and rational. Oh, yeah, dude. Vinny, I'm telling you, this chart looks to me very similar to where Sol was at, like now around 50. I think right now we're around $50 Sol. Maybe. I think between probably $40 and $50 Solana is where we're at right now with this. Yeah, we're still totally good. AYT, I like that actually. Okay, here I'm gonna keep going. I don't think that the volume is giving too much of a clue either way. Elon is pumping. Will it flip Shiba? I don't care. Too much of a clue either way. I don't think the volume is giving too much of a clue either way. The mana. What? All right, first off, don't go all in on anything. That's just not very smart. Number two, I don't know. Well, I might look at Elon just to see if it's even worth the damn. I'm going to assume it's probably not, but I'm curious. The volume on the increase is good, but it needs relative to the pump back in April. It is still very low. I wouldn't be surprised to see this relatively low volume on many of our alts because low volume is indicative of a fifth wave, which is what I think we are going into. All right. Yes, the most high. I will do this. I thought I already did this, actually. I could have swore I did a video over taking profits. Yeah, I know I did. Absolutely. You know what? I 100% did. Wait 1 second. I'm going to find this real quick. Make sure you guys are watching this video because it's actually very important. Yeah, let's look at this real quick. There you go. Got it. Oh, God, that was loud. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. Hope that wasn't too horrible. Yeah, that's crazy. I definitely did this video already. That's why I was really curious. But yeah, I definitely did do it. When to get profits and when to enter a coin. Yeah, perfect. Um, regarding letting winners run, it's pretty easy. Just don't stress. Okay, got it. Yeah, okay, I knew I did it. Oh man, guy, I'm telling you. Okay, Mark, Litecoin and EOS. Litecoin specifically looks really, 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 really good. That thing I was talking about earlier about rotations, I think altcoin or I think Litecoin is going to make a massive, massive increase on the rotations game. All right. Okay. I'm not in Shiba, but it's no problem. It's a good current example of a pop off and Stanley High. Can you? Yeah. I will probably still do another video on that. I think another video is going to give more information on it. Yeah, I'm probably still going to do it. And wipe, over leverage. A more regular thing, the more parabolic we go. All right, cool. I think I got it all. All those are done. General trading, anything more on here? 118. What time? How am I doing? Let's see. Ooh, baby. Man, I love double-digit gain days. Don't you guys love those when you're up double digits for the day? Like yesterday was another double-digit day for me. Man, aren't you guys happy you didn't panic sell and abandon ship like all down here? Aren't you glad happy? Are you guys happy you didn't abandon ship and just freak out and lose your mind over here or even over here and were able to hold through all this craziness? Yeah, me too. If you didn't, I hope you guys learned your lesson and know that, well, I mean, it's, oh, is this another trend line? Son of a gun. Guys, we're about to break out again. Yeah, look at this. Okay, look at this. Oh my God, we're doing it again. Son of a bitch. Look at this. The really, really easy analysis are oftentimes very effective. So right here, we have a very clear trend line formed on the total chart, okay? Test, 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 breakout. Like, I know it's super simple and stuff, but like, it doesn't, these simple breakouts are very significant. Has formed a falling Oh man, I'm so bullish right now. It's so insane. Guys, this is like I'm getting some serious 2017 vibes right now. I'm so happy about this. There you go. Are you expecting a big dump in overall in the market? It's not clean. It's not clear, but the high time frame is very obvious to me. So this is what I'm basically saying, right? What Chris is asking is, are you expecting a big dump then overall in the market? Yeah, are you expecting a big dump overall in the market after seeing the post about Ethereum shorts? I mean, we really don't know, guys. We really just don't know, and that's the key. These low time frame things, which I'm going to say, anything in the next week or so, in my opinion, is low time frame. The thing about this, on the higher time frame, if you can sit on your hands and wait for a month, 2 month, 3 month, the direction of the market is exceptionally obvious to me. Like, incredibly obvious. We are going up. Okay? That's what I know. I know the direction of the market is up. If you buy, and this is my opinion, right? Cannot give you financial advice, but if you buy all these altcoins right now and you put them in a wallet, okay, and you sit on your freaking hands and don't do anything for the next few weeks and come back, you will have more money in that account. That to me is incredibly obvious. Now, all of these low time frame, when's it going to dump? How about the shorts and all this other crap? This is noise, okay? This is noise. It's important because it is something that a lot of people can take advantage of and get like smaller percentage gains and get in better positions and all that stuff. But I cannot stress it enough. The tide time frame is exceptionally bullish, guys. It's so obvious. I'm so incredibly bullish right now. Like I just yeah, it's amazing. It's so amazing. Like our accounts are getting 10% increases per day. I got a 10% increase in my entire portfolio yesterday. Today, I think I'm like 11% up for the day. Convex looks really good. HBAR looks really good. Litecoin looks really good. Mana's already popping off. Even these meme coins like Doge and Shiba are popping off. Like, the point is, the market looks bullish. It's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I can't even... Like, there is no bullish scenario in my mind without us going significantly higher. I think the lowest we could possibly go, and this is still so unlikely at this point, we might get a dump back and retest this level. We might get a 10% dump, maybe, okay? Bitcoin might not go parabolic like the altcoins. That's sort of bullish, or that's sort of bearish for Bitcoin. But like, the altcoins are so obvious right now. Look at these things, guys. They're starting to accelerate. Yeah, Doge is struggling, but because Yesterday, it went up. Yesterday, it went up by 41%. Okay. Dogecoin went up by 41% yesterday. So yeah, we're down 3% today, and that's horrible. But the whole point is that it's just a normal correction, a healthy correction after a massive increase. ETN, we had a massive increase. Like, it's a standard correction. H-bar looks like it's about to break out. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me right now? Guys, this is insane. Yeah, like this, you understand, I've been a day trader. I've been a swing trader, and now I'm a positional trader. My trading style changes upon the market. I have been trading for 5 years, and I'm telling you right now, I am absolutely not at all interested in day trading, okay? I'm not even interested in swing trading right now. Everything I'm doing is positional. I'm putting my positions out there, spreading it across the charts that I think look the best, and I'm sitting on my hands and just monitoring those charts to make sure on the high time frames to look fine. And as long as they do, I'm not touching anything, guys. I cannot stress to you guys enough. Yeah, this looks really good as well. Let's look at the BTC pairing on H-bar. This is like life-changing money right now. This is amazing. So happy. Okay, daily breaker. All right, so we're back above the 200. We never actually lost. We did lose it officially. Back above the 200. We're still strong at this level. Oh man, H-bar, you're not giving me a clean play right now, and I don't like that. But it does look bullish. It's just really hard to articulate. How's Stack doing? That's a bullish reclaim. Is Stack actually going to take off? Huh. Huh. I wonder if Stack is actually going to show some life, because now we busted above there. Let's go to a lower time frame. This looks healthy. Holy shit. Stack actually looks really healthy right now. Huh. Well, so, all right, let me talk about this coin, all right? I'm going to talk about Stack. So when it comes to Stack, this coin fell a lot lower than I was expecting. Okay, it did. I was really expecting this daily break to hold. Okay, and that was around 16 or 1.6 cents, 1.8 to 1.6 cents. Now we fell down, right? We made a very clear consolidation structure, and we've come back down. This is a clear impulse, clear consolidation, but we've also dropped a lot further than I was expecting. Usually, okay, and make this very clear to you guys, usually I would sell. In every other situation, I would have sold at right here. This bearish retest, I would have sold. Once it started failing, I would have sold it around 12 cents, okay? 12 to 13 cents, around there, I probably would have sold, okay? But The only reason why I did not sell Stack, and I am not joking with you when I say the only reason I did not sell Stack, was because this is on a decentralized exchange and you have to use gas to transfer it. So I would have to transfer my Stack from Stack into another coin on a decentralized exchange and pay hundreds of dollars in gas fee. Well, because I'm so confident that the entire altcoin market looks good, I said, well, you know what? I'm going to hold on to that sucker because I am confident the entire alt markets are going to keep going. So I'm going to go ahead and hold on to it. Not because it looks bullish, but because, well, I can't really afford to sell it. Straight up, man. It wouldn't, like, if it was an easy swap and it wouldn't have cost me much money to trade, oh yeah, it would have been gone a long time ago. But because the overall market looks really, really good, and because the gas fees are so outrageous, I said, screw it. I'm holding on to it. So I did. And you know what? Stack actually looks really clean right now. It does. We've now broken above the bottom trend line, and we're also back above the top trend line. So, you know what? I might add more Stack now, which is insane, but Stack actually looks really good. So I'm going to go here to Stack and update and say Stack. Well, we are actually looking really good on Stack now. We have broken above the bottom trend line. Yeah, exactly. Like, it's one of those things to where I'm going to hold because it's too damn expensive to sell. Okay. I probably own a lot more Stack than you guys, and that's totally okay. So I could have done it. So I may still have came out ahead on this thing, but either way, I decided that I wasn't going to burn the gas fees whenever I'm so confident the entire market looks good. So I'm going to go ahead. This is my degenerate gamble. That's what it is. Go with the man. I will drop another one. I don't know why the hell the damn thing keeps changing. I don't know why. I don't know. I just don't know why. But either way, I'm gonna fix that right now. If I go to live streaming right here. I'm gonna edit. Oh, here I'm gonna do. Join Discord. Boom. And a pin it. Replace pin comment. There we go. I have now replaced it. I got it. I got you. Girl with the band, I got you. You are good to go now. All right, sweet. So that's where we're at right now, guys. Stack looked really, really crappy, but it's actually showing a lot of strength here. So wasn't really intentional, but it actually might work out in the end. So, yeah. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's keep going through. Let's do some more updates. Let's check out ADA. I haven't checked the ADA in a while. Let's see. How's ADA BTC? Oh my gosh, we came back down and retested it. All right, all right, all right. Let's talk about this, guys. If you're in ADA, I might piss you off a little bit, and I'm very sorry about this, okay? I'm very sorry. But I told you guys a long time ago that I was getting out of ADA right down here. Right? Where's it at? Right here. I sold majority of my ADA at 240. Okay. Why did I sell my ADA? Because we lost our key breakers at 240. Okay. We lost them and we fell back through. And the BTC pairing has dropped even further. So right now, we came all the way back down. We crashed all the way down to $1.80. So by me cashing out, I saved around 30 to 40% of my holdings, right? So if you are an ADA, I'm sorry, but I gave you guys plenty of heads up that ADA looked like garbage. Okay. Am I getting back into ADA? Well, let's look at it. Let's look and see if there's any signs of life from this coin. Well, right now, we need to get back above this level. And right now, we haven't. So that looks pretty crappy, honestly. Let's look at the BTC pairing. We came back down. We retested the previous all-time high. This looks horrible. ADA looks like garbage right now. I'm telling you guys right now, I have zero interest in this coin. Wow. All right, so I mentioned how we can't lose this. It's going to get ugly. That was at 4609 Satoshis. 4609 Satoshis. Right? 4609? Oh, it's a daily level. That's what it was. Yep, there it is. Well, things got ugly. Yeah, hey, check the I have a pinned comment. That's the new Discord link. I don't know why it's doing it, but I went ahead and made a new Discord link for you guys. So check out that one. Yep, do that right here. Hi, RTBro. Hi, Fusion. Tifusin. Sorry, I don't know how to say your name. I apologize. If you haven't liked this video, man, make that happen, guys. Give me some likes. Help the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm. Give me some love. Let's see if we're at a level to where I am becoming bullish on this coin. Are there any bullish signs on ADA yet? We're retapping this low. No, I'm not. I'm not bullish at all right now. Well, no, I'd be bullish right here. That would be a support. It's a green. Yeah, this is my buy zone right in here. This green breaker. Oh, you're looking at the wrong one. So I know what you're talking about though. So for coin market cap, Stack is right here. Okay. Yeah, Stack's right here. Cool. Yes, it's a different one. Make sure to look up Jig Stack. Yeah, which one is the one you're looking at? Yeah, here you go. Yeah, make sure to go to the right one. Jig Stack's the one you're looking for. And I'm part of their Discord, and I assure you, they're definitely still working on it. So I keep in track with a lot of what's going on it. Yeah, Strax is different. Jig Stack. Jig Stack. Right here. Yep, Jig Stack. So, oops. I can do polls. That's neat. Interesting. Should I use polls during live streams? Ask. Should I use polls during live streams? I'm really curious. You guys let me know. This is ridiculous. All right. Where am I at? Let's go back over here and check out. So yeah, so the ADA, I'm just not interested in it until I get down there. Oops, no, over here. Trust in the charts alone and ignore fundamentals. All right, Bitcoin. Where we're at, Ethereum. Let's see how Ethereum's looking. Perfect. So we are coming to a resistance. What resistance is this? I think this is a very high time frame resistance. Yes. We are currently rejecting Cool. Let's look at XRP. How about that? I haven't done one of those in a while. Looks really good. Total 2. We're consolidating above it. This looks really good. Highest 4-hour close ever on the total 2 chart. Ooh, we keep going up. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Look at that. We make even another high on it. Oh my gosh, this is great. It's great, 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 great. Great, great, great. Wow, ADX is on a roll today. Wow. XRP. Very tight consolidation. Very, very tight consolidation. Interesting. What is going on? Ask RTBro. All right, so I see what Saxona is saying. GRT, CVX, GRT, CVX, REQ. All right, so here's the okay, and I see what he's saying here, or Saxon. I don't know if it's a male or female. I have no idea, right? But I see what he's saying regarding, we're missing a lot of opportunities, and I see that, right? But here's the thing about this: Shiba was in a consolidation structure for months. Okay. So for 138 days, Shiba did this. Was in a consol structure for 138 days, or 138 days. And not only that, with Shiba, I did mention it. All right. Yeah, either way, guys, there's a lot of issues with that. You know what I mean? It's one of those things to where um like it's really hard to know when these things are going to break out. Okay, and that's the issue. So there are a lot of coins that look really, really, really good. I talk about them a lot on the Discord. I'm gonna do some videos on probably today or tomorrow on some of the other coins I think have a lot of potential. Um, but you just gotta be patient. And that's the thing. And you're gonna get irritated. And you're gonna be jumping between. Like I mentioned about the rotations, right? You're going to see these rotations of coins popping off. There's 6,000 different cryptocurrencies, and you're going to watch different ones pop off, and you're not going to know when yours is going to pop off. You're going to see all these other ones to take off. And then as soon as you move over and you're like, oh, this is the one that I want. That's the one that's been taken off. Then your one that you've been in is going to absolutely explode. So being patient sucks, but like it sucks, and I know that. Nano's doing really good today. What's up with this? Maybe? No. Why is Nano taking off? Let's figure out why. Is that the reason why? Is that why? I just don't, I'm not really buying the fact that this is the only reason why this is popping off right now. High volume, too. Ooh. Is this why? Ooh. Nano is really, really close. And it's showing a lot of strength right now. This looks really good. So Nano is starting to look a little attractive. I need it to get above this level on the Nano is starting to become attractive. We need to see us get above this logarithmic trend line, the BTC pairing. USD pairing. Pennant is over a 200% increase after the breakout. Let's look at how the low time. Let's look at the low time frame to see if this is going to remain bullish. Um, pretty clean. It's relatively clean. I like this this structure. So you guys can see how this looks like a pretty healthy trend line. It was formed, broke above, retested, continuation upwards. Like this looks pretty clean. We had another breakout in low time frame triangle. Breakout low time frame triangle. What the hell's Shiba? Shiba BTC. Huh. Is there not a BTC pairing on here? What? Okay, let's go to CoinMarketCap Pro. What was the? Can you say what the price is on the breaker? Which breaker specifically? I need more information here. Oh, it's not working. Awesome. Okay. Shiba BTC. There we go. It's a little rough, but we can make this work. I just don't know like what breaker are you talking about? I'm sorry. I need more information so I can figure it out. Which breaker on which pairing? I go through a lot of charts. I've been 2 hours in on this thing, so good enough for continuation. I don't see an unhealthy show of weakness yet. I wouldn't be Yep. Looks fine. Yeah, I think it looks fine, guys. I don't see any issue with this chart at all. Until we start losing some of these levels, I don't really see anything concerning. How's ADX doing? Oh, shit. That is a hell of a monstrous increase. Where are we rejecting? 200 moving average. Of course. That's clean. It's clean, guys. That is a solid breakout and retest. Solid breakout and retest on the ADX. um, that's crazy. Such an explosive movement. I was targeting the quarterly. What? Seriously? I don't know. I can auto add you, I guess. I don't know. That's really weird. I'll check it out, RL. The quarterly breaker that we tagged on the BTC pairing. And we are now however, all right, cool. I am yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off, guys. I've been on for like 2 hours, probably a little bit past that. What are we at? 2 hours and 4 minutes. It is about that time. All right, so you guys said I should start using that. Cool. I will start doing that more often. I will see you guys in a good, and I'll see you guys soon. I'll be on probably tomorrow morning. Just depends on how the schedule looks, but I am home for the next like 3 days. So, yeah, no worries at all, buddy. Alpha, Beta, Charlie, LOL. Yep, you're right, man. All right, have a great one, guys. I will see you in the next video, and like always, deuces, boys.